Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on NVENC 4D. Today I want to make the comparison test between DaVinci Resolve Studio 16 hardware encoding versus Adobe Premiere Pro, the brand new Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 version 14.3.1. Get ready for that, okay? Get ready. Let's open first Adobe Premiere Pro. The first you can share and get ready now because you are so nice today. Wonderful. This is 4K 60 FPS product. Now let's open DaVinci Resolve right now. Get ready for that. DaVinci Resolve Studio 16. Let's see between which is the best for video rendering. Okay, welcome. Now we have 4K 60 FPS video here also. Let's open this. Wonderful. Now we have DaVinci Resolve here and Premiere Pro here. Wonderful. Look at that. Wow. They both take more resources. Let's see this before. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay, this is nothing, but you need to put your computer on performance. Okay, put your computer on performance. This is a A0 CG, Intel Core i7, NVIDIA GeForce NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, 6 GB of VRAM, video RAM. Now, get ready. Look at the performance. This is Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Look at what is used. Wow. Let's go on performance now. You can see they both use NVIDIA GeForce to video run to encoding. Okay. Now you can see here the VRAM. Wonderful. Let's test first. Let's take the file that I want to export and put on this beautiful Adobe Premiere Pro. Now this file is 4K 60 FPS video. This is the bitrate is 20,000 megabyte, 20,000 K, 20,000 kilobytes. Now take this file, put this here, and wonderful. We do this. Okay, increase something like that. Oh, select this. This is 3 minutes of 4K video 60 FPS. Okay, thank you. Now is it's here. Wonderful, beautiful. As you can see, working. Hello, thank you. Now wonderful is wonderful, beautiful. Now let's go on DaVinci Resolve and do the same action. Okay, take the same, put the same video and put it directly here, and take this to put in the timeline. Increase, do something like that. Okay, wonderful. Let's see. As you can see, let me show you again. Let's see. Look at. Wonderful. Beautiful, the same video without color effect. Wonderful. Now go on exportation. Now select what you want. Wonderful. Do okay, beautiful, select it. And almost the same product. Now, what can you do? What you want to do first? Okay, first of all, I want to test Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, Adobe Premiere Pro. Wonderful. And let go. What can you do? Ctrl plus M for exportation. And select this. Let me delete this first. Okay, this is Adobe test. Okay, now wonderful, good quality here, H264 and 4K 60 FPS video, as you can see. And now hardware encoding, you can see NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA into is good. Now what can you do? Let's see face. Okay, you can see face performance. You can see NVIDIA GeForce use only face one on you can see 18%. Okay, now let's go to the rendering, but I need something to see how much. Okay, this is the chrono. Okay, I want to use this chrono directly with you. Okay, no problem. Click first on this chrono and click on export here to see for both. Let's see. Okay, as you can see 2 minutes here, 2 minutes here for rendering. And you can see also here what he used. He used NVIDIA graphic card for rendering. Look at the performance. 7.7.6 GB RAM. How is possible? This is not a joke. It's used the NVIDIA graphic card to export this video. Look at the VRAM. This is because I have opened the both an amazing video editing. Okay, let's wait for the finishing together. Okay, where the chrono? Okay, the chrono is here. The chrono is here. Chrono, please come here. Come here. Chrono, come here. DaVinci Color Show this video. Thank you. As you can see, Chrono is in front of you. Remember, this is 4K 60 FPS video rendering. This is not a joke. Okay. I don't do a bitrate of this exportation. I will see this after. Almost finished. My code is here. 2 minutes. And what? Get ready, get ready. This is in the real time, the real life. 9 seconds. And what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and beautiful 3 minutes 7 to rendering this video. Ay, ay, ay. This is wonderful. For DaVinci Resolve, you don't need to have a code because all of this appear here. Before doing this, let me see something. The bitrate was 20 megabytes. Okay, I need to do the same action for DaVinci Resolve. Okay, you can see 20 also. 20 is the same. Now let's see. Let's enter DaVinci. Okay, Resolve Studio. And okay, now what can I do? Let's see, take the same format and the same thing here and select NVIDIA. And what can you do? The thing that you need to do is to do this. Okay, if all of this is done, wonderful, beautiful. Let's see, crazy. Now get ready for the exportation. Look at the process. As you can see, NVIDIA is on 19%. Yeah, using 19%. Now with the CPU use only this. Okay, you can see also this. Okay, all of these are good. 3 GB of RAM for 3 GB of RAM for DaVinci Resolve. 3 GB of RAM also for the Adobe Premiere Pro. Almost the same. Okay, thank you. Now you can see VRAM here. Thank you. 3.9 GB of RAM. Now let's go to the exportation right now, bro, because you are so nice. And put the chrono here. The chrono here. Okay. And now let's see exportation started. Now let's see the performance. Okay, as you can see, working. Now you can see 3 minutes here, almost like this, but get ready to see. Get ready. 5.1 GB. Oh, 4.8 GB now. Get ready for that. As you can see, the DaVinci Resolve use 89% of NVIDIA. And you can see here the process here. Okay, you can make the difference. You can see also this is OBS Studio that are used to recording this video. This is normal. It's also open. Okay, you can not neglect this information also. Get ready for that. Get ready. Which is the best, the fastest between? This is what I want to discover with you on my Asus ROG Strix G. Ha! This is performance. We are on performance. Now, get ready. Okay. What you need to do is to wait. Look at the RAM here. 15 GB of RAM, 15.1.5 GB of RAM. This is crazy. Okay. Now the CPU is here. You can see the process. Nice. NVIDIA GeForce GTX is used. Okay. No. this is not a joke, is use graphic card NVIDIA GeForce GTX. I have installed on the previous version the brand new NVIDIA Studio driver. Ha! Now get ready. Okay, wait. As you can see on the project of on DaVinci Resolve this introduction, you need to also take this information. Okay, I don't know if they are the same. Okay, they are not the same things here for Premiere Pro. Okay, but something, this is just a test. If it's good, no problem with this. This is what we talking about here on NGSTUDIO. 4D. What is not stopping also? Okay, let's continue. Get ready. What? What is finished? Okay. Now we have something almost similar. Almost similar. We have 3 minutes, 3 minutes here, and also 3 minutes here on DaVinci Resolve. How is possible? Almost the same, bro. Almost the same. As you can see, this on this product there are something different. There are so much things here. You can see this and this introduction. They are not the same thing on the Adobe Premiere Pro. I changed something. You can see. Okay, so my different, but as you can see, for me now is almost the same thing. They both use the power of your NVIDIA graphic card. Definitely. As you can see, it's on performance also, and it's good. For me, they both have equal now. Now you can decide for the both software with stabilization of DaVinci Resolve or something, some bug. Many times I have not seen a bug on the brand new version. I want to test this right now to see if there's something like bug that you need to know. But for this time, I have not met a bug on this version. As you can see, this is the Resolve version also. Above version, crazy, about, nice. Okay, beautiful. What do you think about this? Say to me what you think about this under this video. And which will you use right now? Which will you use right now? DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro? For first time, I want to come back on Adobe Premiere Pro and use this for 30 days to see if they are not bugs into before. Okay, also you listen to me. As you can see, there are no problem with this. CUDA is enabled. You can see it's playing very well, and notificate that I also enable the performance of my computer. Okay, this computer is amazing, just amazing. Core i7 9th generation, NVIDIA GeForce GTX, all of this for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, share this video, and let's go to the next video on NGSTUDIO 4D. I love you all.